How to use the eye icon on Apple Watch. On the Apple Watch, the eye symbol is used to obtain more information or settings connected to the device's different features and capabilities. Here's how to utilize the eye symbol on the Apple Watch. Tap the eye icon on the Apple Watch screen when you see it. This will usually open a new screen with more extensive information or options for the function you are presently using. When you press the eye icon, you may get different options or information depending on the current situation. When you receive an alert, for example, selecting the eye symbol next to the notification will usually provide more information about the app that delivered the notification, as well as options for how to handle future alerts from that app. When modifying settings on the Apple Watch, touching the eye icon next to a specific setting can frequently bring up extra information or alternatives for that setting. You could see an explanation of what the setting does, or a link to a help page for that functionality. For example, when you're by looking at the information or options linked with the eye icon, you may usually dismiss the screen by touching the Done or Close button, or by touching the digital crown that appears to return to the previous screen. Overall, the eye symbol on the Apple Watch is a handy tool for gaining access to more information or options connected to the device's different features and functionalities.